everyone, welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. So, we go with a fantastic tutorial about Photoshop that you will learn how you make a no light for your pictures like this. So, let's go! Okay, here we go. First you must make a polygon right here, then specify the size of your shape that you want. I need a triangle, so I set it at 3. Next you must set the fill on no color and a stroke on white. Then set the size of a stroke on 1. For the next part, go to the layer style, then other glow. And fill this page like me. Set the blend mode on a screen and opacity on 100, noise on 0, and choose color from here. Technique on software and spread should be between 20 and 40. Size should be between 80 and 110, and finally click on OK. You can change the size of the stroke to have something better like this. In the subsequent step, set the mode on the screen and right click on layer to convert it into a smart object, like this. Then add a mask from this section. Okay, almost done. You just need a brush with 2 black colors that you must choose these colors from here. Set both of them on black and clear everywhere which isn't in good shape. And erase it easy. The point is, you must do it carefully, not like me. Okay, I said everything in order to have professional nail light in your photos. Just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. Have a good day, see you in the next video.